Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe for the Cuisinart bread maker. It is the best recipe to make very soft, fluffy and creamy white bread after a couple tests, so I highly recommend you to try it out. I will also share the tips along the way, so let's start. These are the ingredients. You can replace heavy cream with same amount of light cream or milk. First tip is to pour the 40 grams of boiling water into the flour and mix them. This purpose is to help flour to absorb more water so the dough can be softer. Second tip is to add the yeast to the room temperature milk cream mixture and stir well until the yeast is mixed well with the milk. Then, as normal, I poured the liquid ingredients into the bread pan first, which is the milk and the yeast mixture. Then added the 2 room temperature eggs. After that, I added the dry ingredients, which is the flour previously mixed with the boiling water, as well as sugar and salt. The third tip is not add butter here, and insert the bread pan back into the baking chamber first. For the baking, I choose the first program, which is white bread with light crust color and 2-pound loaf size. So this is the initial mixing stage, knead one and the rice one. By the end of first resting period, the display panel shows rice 1. I poured the melted butter in. I like to remove the paddle when the signal for it is on, since the shape of the bread would be nicer. Then we just wait and the bread will be ready soon. So that's it. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching today. I will continue to explore other functions of this machine and share good recipes as well.